Have you ever wondered where do professional traders keep crores of rupees when they are not buying stocks? Do they keep it in saving accounts? No. Most smart market participants use something called LiquidBeES. And now Zerodha has launched LiquidCase. But here is the shocking part. 90% of retail investors still don't understand the difference. Today I will explain this in a simple and powerful way possible. Welcome back to Wealth Instructor, the channel where India learns investing smarter. Let's say you sold your stocks today. Now rupees 3 lakh is sitting idle inside your broker account. Most beginners leave that money untouched, doing absolutely nothing. But professional traders think differently. They ask, can this money earn returns while I wait for the next opportunity? And that's exactly why products like Nippon India Mutual Fund, which is LiquidBeES, and Zerodha Fund House LiquidCase become popular in India. But here is where things become interesting. Even though both look similar from outside, the way they generate return is completely different. And this is the difference most YouTube videos never explain properly. How LiquidBeES actually works. First, let's understand LiquidBeES. LiquidBeES invests in treasury bills, overnight instruments, repo markets, ultra short-term debt. Now pay close attention. LiquidBeES price usually stays near rupees 1000. So if the price is not moving much, then how do investors make returns? Here is the twist. LiquidBeES gives return through dividend reinvestments. Instead of continuously increasing the price, it credits extra units into the Demat account over time. Imagine you own 10 mango trees. Instead of each mango becoming bigger, the farm owner gives you extra mangoes every week. That's how LiquidBeES works. But many investors complain about fractional units, confusing portfolio entries, harder return tracking, slight tax complexity. How LiquidCase works differently. Now comes the modern approach, LiquidCase. Unlike LiquidBeES, LiquidCase doesn't give extra dividend units. Instead, the returns directly increase the NAV, meaning no extra units, no dividend credits, cleaner growth, easier tracking. The real difference explained simply. This is the single biggest difference between the two. In LiquidBeES, your profits appear as extra units, but in LiquidCase, your profits appear as price growth. And psychologically, LiquidCase feels cleaner for modern investors because humans naturally understand price is going up, but random fractional units appearing in Demat that confuses many beginners. Why investors love these products? Now you may ask, if returns are small, why do traders even care? Because traders often hold large temporary cash balances. Instead of leaving 5 lakh idle, they park it in liquid ETFs while waiting for the next opportunity. Professional traders commonly use them for parking overnight cash, waiting for market correction, marginal collateral, temporary safe allocation. Hidden tax and final verdict. In LiquidBeES, dividend-based units can create slightly more tax and tracking complexity, and that's the one reason many newer investors are shifting towards growth-style products like LiquidCase. But remember, that doesn't mean LiquidBeES is bad. In fact, it's one of the India's oldest and most trusted liquid ETFs. So my final verdict is, if you want simple tracking and cleaner growth, LiquidCase may feel better. But if you want a highly trusted traditional liquid ETF with huge liquidity, LiquidBeES is still excellent. And now you finally understand the real difference. If you like our video, please subscribe for more updates. Thank you.